foam is the intersection of rubber-like flexibility and plastic-like processability. One of the remarkable features of this product is its ability to maintain flexibility at low temperatures. Where many other foams become stiff and brittle, TPE remains soft and elastic. This characteristic makes it an outstanding choice for insulation, sports equipment, and automotive components. Unlike many foams available in the market, Foamiran TPE foam is 100% recyclable and environmentally friendly. This makes it a smart choice for modern industries and advanced packaging solutions. Applications of TPE foam: flooring and anti-slip layers, soft and flexible consumer goods such as medical and hygiene products, packaging applications, and lightweight thermal insulation. This foam also offers heat welding capability, helping increase the speed of your production line. Experience world-class technology through direct purchase from the Foamiran factory. For technical consultation, get in touch with our specialists.
Foamiran, Iran's leading foam authority.